Hello everyone. Hello guys. How are you? I hope you are doing great. So today we will discuss about a very not a great topic. It's important to survive in this era. So firstly I would like to tell you how to speak English uh, fluently. So I would like to tell you some tips and you have to follow these type of matter in daily life. You can grow in your life. So firstly I would like to tell you, uh, if you want to learn this language, do you have a burning desire, so you can do anything. First you have a burning desire to do anything. If you have a burning desire, so you have to find out lot of things. How can I improve myself and how can I achieve this target? Then you have to make a plan. You will have to make a active plan. So you have to do work and take action immediately. If you have a plan and take a action, what will happen? After that, you will see a lot of changes here in your personality. It's your body language and communication skills also. You have seen a lot of changes in your life, but people have a hesitate. He do not have a confidence, because confidence is also important to do anything. I am here, and if I have a fear, lot of fear. How people what to say. I did not speak well. I don't know how to speak well, but right now I am making this video for village people. So village people seeing me, inspired me, because I am making video for the villagers. How can we improve communication skills and how to start a YouTube journey also. So it's okay. Today is enough. So next video will be uploaded in next day. Okay, bye bye. Take care.